Hello everyone and welcome back to another instalment from our series Straight from the Horse's Mouth. The Australian Steel Institute is transitioning its current Environmental Sustainability Charter program to the Steel Sustainability Australia program. The SSA certification program aims to support participants in meeting construction industry expectations for sustainably sourced steel. The program ensures that steel is responsibly sourced, fabricated and processed by best practice sustainable operators. Here's a sneak preview.
It's the little guys, the small to medium enterprises. What we need is for these little guys to be able to tackle the big problems of sustainability. But how does a small company develop systems and certifications and EPDs, the things that we're asking for them to respond to be able to verify a more sustainable built environment? SSA is a launch pad. Not like a rocket launch pad where the rocket needs to get itself off the ground using enormous amounts of energy, but it's like a trampoline where members can jump on it and it gives them direction and momentum and it propels them towards a more sustainable model of doing business.
Only 31% of claims, environmental claims in Australian markets have supporting evidence or verification to provide confidence that the claim is accurate or meaningful, and it's really, really important there that we have schemes and associations to help with that verification.
ThinkStep, our consultants were obviously integral in this project. They, developed the program from scratch and worked really hard on that. And then we had about, I would say, a year, a little bit over of consultation. So it was a really heavy consultation process, both within the steel industry and outside of the steel industry, which I think was really crucial to this program. And so this is just a snapshot of what it actually is. So what is it? It's a new certification program that engages the entire steel supply chain to comply with best practice, sustainable operations in steel manufacturing, processing and fabrication.
The program was developed to align with the Green Star Buildings Rating Tool and Responsible Products Framework developed by the Green Building Council of Australia. SSA certified steel products can assist projects seeking Green Star certification. This webinar explains the new program, how it was developed, and how it can help the steel industry respond to current and future sustainability challenges in the built environment. If you're interested in watching the full installment, you can find that on the thinkstep-anz website.